Today I'm going to share with you how I sprout mung bean sprouts using our sprout jar kit. First, I'm going to start by removing the blackout sleeves because we don't need them right now, and unscrewing the lids. Now we can add the seed to both jars. Once I've added the seeds to both jars, I'm going to put the lids back on. Now let's take it over to the sink to add some water. Here in my sink, I'm going to add water to both jars so that these can soak for 6 hours. I added enough water to both of these jars to make sure that they stay submerged even when the seed doubles in size. Now I just scoop this out of my way for the next 6 hours. These mung beans have now been soaking for 6 hours. It's time to drain the water, give them a rinse, and put them in their blackout sleeves. Now they can go in the stand like that. I'll be rinsing and draining these 2 to 3 times a day. Day 3, mung beans. Mung bean, day 6. We're going to start by removing the blackout sleeves from both of these jars, and we'll unscrew the lids and get set up to start harvesting. Now that these are both mostly dry, let's go ahead and get the harvest weights. One jar produced 256 grams. My second jar produced 197.5 grams. I put a paper towel on top to absorb the excess moisture.